take a 450. Oh, this corner is such an annoying corner too. I'll get it though. Oh, we can put gravel down. Nice. All right. So, you see we obviously flip the truck around. Professional tip of the day. If you're gonna park your truck and or trailer in a annoying spot, right? It's annoying to move, you might get stuck, you might need assistance backing around stuff. Anytime you're in that situation, set the truck up to leave. The worst thing to do is go into the woods, have a bad day, then come out and then have to do what I just did, which is basically drag my gooseneck along this tree. And I know I have to hit this tree because every time I come out here I have to hit this tree. So yeah, it just makes it go a lot smoother. So basically I just did a 3-point turn right here with a gooseneck and then just backed it in. Well, we have to fight our way back here. The client opened this up with his tractor and a handsaw. But we are not mulching here. There's traveling here. Whoa! Drop. It's gonna be interesting to get back out of. All right. Now, obviously, I don't know exactly what's back here. It does look like the terrain goes up, which means it's gonna drop somewhere because there's wetlands over that clearing. There is wetlands. So, I have a saying, and it served me pretty well so far, and it says we don't quit from the road, which means you don't just show up and look at a job and be like, oh, today's gonna suck because it's so thick or whatever. Just get started, get to work, see what happens, because most of the time it gets easier. So let's find you guys a good spot over here. I guess that's out of the way. Let's get to work. Well, there's 1.6 acres of the bumpiest shit ever. I think my AC belly pan fix is failing again because I don't have AC. I haven't had AC for the last few hours. So I'm gonna, when I get home today, I'm gonna think of, not when I get home today. When I get the machine back home, I'm going to be making some hardware upgrades because not having AC sucks. All right, let's drive through here. This might get crazy. We got one chance to get up, pretty much. Everybody's pretty stuck. Right there. I think we'll be good. Across the hole. Oh, we're in the hole now. Don't. Oh. Yep. That decidedly did not go according to plan, especially because I called it. I said it was going to happen. I said don't line up the track with the hole. As I lined the track up with the hole and fell in, like it was a so annoying. Sunk. Guess we'll have to figure this out tomorrow. Well, Mr. 323, it's been fun. Thanks for going for that walk with me. I'll see you later. I actually have to just do this little tree line here, finish that part of the tree line, and then go over everything. Tighten up some stuff in here, stuff like that. But that's pretty much the edge of the property right there. Technically not the edge of the property, it's the edge of the upland section. There's orange markers delineating it. Oh, I don't know if you can see that, but there's one by that bigger tree over there in the tree line next to those pines. There's an orange marker there. And then there is one right here. Knew it. Look how good I am. There's one right here. So you gotta come clean this edge up, obviously. Ugh. And clean it up pretty much. So we're only taking 6 inches on this project, so that's why a lot of the pines are staying. This is more just to open the land up, and it is for sale, so if someone wants it, there's 30 acres, I think it's 33 acres. It's a 33 acre parcel in Oak Hill, Florida, for like $375, $350, something like that. I'm sure you can find it on Zillow. It's online, I know that. Lacey found the listing. But I've done all the work here. I can show you how to get everything done here. It's a nice property. Looks like this pretty much. I believe there are 7, well now there's, basically we just went to all the areas we've mulched before. We've mulched this before. This used to be like 15, 20 feet tall, and we mulched it down to this, so it's pretty good. But basically we just widened all the areas. So we obviously just did this section, right? And when it's all done, it's gonna just be part of this big section. So there are 5 plus the entrance, big sections like this of opened up upland area. So you could subdivide it in theory, but most likely this will be a homestead kind of vibe, like a compound, multiple families even maybe. I'm gonna get back to work now. We're pretty much, we should be cooled down by now. Down in the 170 coolant temp range. So that'll give us enough time to finish this area here and start on that. We might not finish that on the same temp. We might have to cool down one more time. But we probably have like 3 more cool downs before we're done. So it's not the end of the world, it's just more annoying. And I get distracted when it's cooling down, i.e. sitting on a swing, talking to a camera, hanging out with my YouTube friends. But yeah. All right. Hey, I'm gonna do a poll soon on Tree Shop's Facebook page. I need to know shirt sizes because I got some cool t-shirt ideas, but I don't know what size shirts to order. It's been a problem in the past, and I don't want to buy like 100 larges just to find out that everyone wanted an extra large, right? So if you see this, go to our Facebook page and find that poll. I'll try to pin it in the comment once I make it. That would help tremendously, actually. All right, let's get back to work. Whee! But it's fun. I need a swing at my house. I need a few swings, actually. I bet the kids would love this thing. All right, back to work. Well, that was a fun job. Glad it's over. Wasn't too bad, actually. Hopefully I got good footage. Never really know until you go and edit, if you're shooting video like I shoot video. So, oh, everything is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Gotta get our gloves out to chain down. So the chains are 115 degrees. Let's get this cranked, and I'll see you on the next one.